Think of software QA as your product's safety net, the behind the scenes hero that ensures everything runs smoothly before users get their hands on it. Here's what software QA, quality assurance, is all about: catching bugs before they bite. Before users find errors, we already fix them. QA spots glitches and crashes early so your product launches perfectly without any error. Improving every interaction. Click, scroll, load, every tap matters. QA ensures your product doesn't just work, it feels seamless and fast. Building trust through performance. A single crash can cost you a customer. QA helps you build user confidence by delivering consistent performance every time. Making it work everywhere: Windows, Android, iOS, Chrome. QA makes sure your software looks and works the same across every platform and device. At Not Just Website, we believe great ideas deserve flawless execution. That's why we go beyond development to deliver reliable, user ready software through expert QA.